Good morning. Too early to be up yet. But yeah, hello 47 subscribers. How is everyone doing today? Fine, 7 AM. Well, it's probably like PM for you guys because I upload late. So yeah, how is everyone? So I've got a bit of news. Well, it's not really news, it's more of an update really. I readjusted my mic and I got fucking hair everywhere. Look at that. Look at that curly whirly. That's the downside to making your own fucking dead cat. First episode's always fucking hard to get back into. It's just quite difficult to think of stuff to talk about. It's nice to be back on the baby again, my bike. Because I've been off, you know, I've been busy in 10B and whatnot. There's some pictures now while I ride to work for a little bit and think of what to talk about. Aside from 10B, obviously. Man, I can do a tight in the chain. Can you start the slap? Yeah, definitely. Piece is moving again. I've added a bit extra to the microphone as well. Some more foam. I've added a basically like a bit of a greenback sponge. Underneath that is still the normal sponge that you get with it. You know, they're like sort of like microfiber and textured shit. I have got a chin curtain to prevent anything from going through. Oh, nice leg end. Hopefully this sponge stuff makes a bit of a difference. Otherwise I'm going to have to look into getting a different mic, or it might even be the helmet. I don't know yet, so I really hope it isn't the helmet and it's just the mic. I've been looking at helmet mics called Power Device. Fucking whole ass. Yeah, it's not going to be a long one this episode. It's just welcoming my subscribers. So thank you very much for subscribing. If anyone else would like to hit the subscribe button, just click on my channel link below or at the end of this video. That'll take you to my channel. And please, please, please like and comment and subscribe. Come on, tough nose. Slow, man. Slow. Oh, here we go. We got a bit of debris. I've also changed the ISO settings. Correct. Coming fucking wait. Yeah, I've changed the ISO settings to low, which means it's not going to react very well to dark situations at all. I've also changed the, I can't think of it now, shutter speed, is it? No, shutter speed set to auto. I had issues with that on high, so I left that alone. I've changed the white balancing. Yeah, I've changed the white balancing on there. I think I've turned that low as well. I've turned that up to the highest. Not entirely sure. It just means it's either hot or cold colours. So either orange or blue in it. It's not rocket science. Don't want to slow down, make a progression for that. So hopefully the settings have turned out well. Well, I'll find out when I get to work and I have time to edit. So also I think I need to trim my pussy in my mouth. My pussy in my mouth, my pussy in my helmet. It's just all over the place. Fluff everywhere. It's because I moved it, changed it. So yeah, see you guys in the next one.